Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can manage your search engine on Google Chrome. Let's start by click at the top right corner of your screen and go to the settings. And here, as you can see, there are some options. Try to find search engine, click it. So the search engine you choose will be used for features like searching from the address bar and from images on web pages. And here you can change the default search engine. This is the Google, the default one. You can try to use the Russian Yandex, Microsoft Bing, Yahoo Indonesia, because this is my native country, and DuckDuckGo. Or you can manage search engines and site search, click it. So here you can use shortcut in the address bar to quickly search a specific site or to use different search engine. So this is the keyboard shortcut. You can use in the address bar, use this keyboard shortcut with shortcut for search engine and site search. You can use space or tab. And here, this is the search engine. You can try to change like before. You can edit it. And you can click three dots to make it default. And this is the site search. To search specific site or part of Chrome, type this shortcut in the address bar followed by your preferred keyboard shortcut. So you can add your site search, and this is inactive shortcut. If you click this, Google Map will be active on your shortcut. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.